What's going on, Bruce? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the brand new BLU G90. All right, so I'm a huge fan of these blue phones because they're inexpensive and they're just freaking awesome. So this one just came out. It sells for about 130 bucks. Now the box it comes in is actually pretty massive. It's got a cool box design on it for sure. But this phone's going for 130 bucks brand new. So if you guys do want to check it out, I'll have a link in both the description as well as a full review you guys can check out on our website. All right, anyways, let's get this box off, and there we go. All right, so straight out of the box you can see it's got a little plastic filter on top of it. Inside the box, you got your basic stuff: charger, headphones. There's also a little manual in the bottom of here. There we go. There's the manual. But as far as what's in the box, pretty basic stuff, but like I said, I really like the box design right there. All right, let's get this little filter off. All right, so the cool thing is that they actually have the specs on the outside plastic. That's pretty classy right there. That looks really nice. I think I'm going to leave that on for just a second until we get this phone powered on, because, I mean, it does look pretty slick, right? But some of the basic specs on this phone, it's got a 6.5-inch LCD display, 16-megapixel back camera, 13-megapixel front. Then it's got the MediaTek Helio processor. Now, the back on it, it does look really nice. It's got a little bit of a glare, so just want to give you a heads up on that. Yeah, bear with me as we go through the little setup here. It's probably going to take like 20 or 30 seconds, and then we'll take a closer look at the actual phone. All right, so now that we got it loaded up to the home screen, I think it's time to unveil this phone, take the plastic off of it. I got to say, the wallpaper on here, the stock wallpaper, looks freaking awesome. Kind of reminds me of like a Galaxy S7 or something like that from back in the day, or more like a Galaxy S6 or some kind of Note series phone. But the wallpaper looks really cool. Now, what I want to do here is load up some of the video quality on it. So I'm going to throw up some YouTube. I'm gonna throw up this game trailer. It's really cool. It's an Assassin's Creed trailer. This is a game that's gonna be coming out soon, so I'm gonna let this run, and then we'll get some gameplay in on a zombie shooting game right after this.
Evil, a monster. Are you evil? They are heartless. Godless barbarians. They murder and kill blindly. What is the soul of man? They scar the lands of England. Lands they will never defend. Never love. The time has come to speak to them in a language they will understand. Oh, somebody tell me. That's how it is. Oh, somebody tell me. Chill!
All right, so the video and sound quality on this phone is top notch. Now, I did want to throw up some gameplay here on this Walking Dead game, but you do get most of the display, so that's what I wanted to point out too. It is 6.5 inches, but you can see that, you know, the display does go outwards, and there really is not much of a notch on the top or bottom of this phone.
If you need my help, just say a word. She's infected. We need to kill her immediately. She can turn any time. I know, but we need to save the child. It's her last wish.
It's a boy. How should we name him?
And how is his mother? She didn't look well. She disappeared. Watch out!
All right, so hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing on the BLU G90. We're going to be doing some more, videos with it, but if you want to check it out right now, I will throw a link in both the description. You can smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and we'll see you in the next one.